The first thing you need to do is go to learning.amplify.com, log in with Google, log in with the Reyes at valleyoakscharterschool.org. It's going to take you to the last page that somebody left off. So it might be 8th grade, it might be 7th grade. You need to go to the left and go to the classwork. So because I left off at 8th grade, it's going to go to the 8th grade classwork. I did leave off at harnessing energy, but I'm going to tell you it might not land you there. If it it's alphabetical order. So if it lands you at chemical reactions, you're going to notice maybe 1 or 2 people maybe dabbled in that a bit. Harnessing energy was the first one. So you just have to scroll through and find it. Oops, where'd that go? Oh, there it is. Harnessing energy. So you'll notice because that was the first one for 8th grade, you had quite a few more people participate. So these are the lessons and the activities. They are labeled. So if you wanted to look at the simulation remarks or maybe the homework for lesson 1, this is lesson 2 investigation, lesson 2 homework. So I'm going to just start with lesson 1 homework. And the names are at the top, so I can scroll through and maybe I want to look at Tyler Brown. And this is his work right here. It says, do you think a moving skateboard has energy? Why or why not? And then they're going to have their short answer responses. You can put comments next to them and you can give them a score. You don't have to. And then they rated themselves. So this is where you're going to find that student work. Let me scroll over a little bit. If I want out of that homework assignment, I just click that X, and then I can scroll through and look at some other assignments. And if I'm looking specifically at Tyler Brown, I can go to any one of these and go to, oh, Tyler did not do this one. So then I also know, oh, he did not do the chapter 1, lesson 1.4 short answer response, or this looks like a multiple choice one. But those are the students that did do it. I would go to the X over at the left and scroll through and see any of the work that Tyler did. So it shows he got 5 out of 5% correct. So possibility of printing this as a work sample if that's something that you wanted. It does give the name, it does give the score, and it gives their answers over there. You would just go to the top right where it hits print. So I'm going to review that one more time. I'm going to click X to get out of there. It did open up, if I can move this up, it did open up in a new screen for classwork. I can always go back to that original tab to get me back to anywhere I want. Where I originally found this was the 3 lines at the top left, classwork, and then I had to pick the exact one I want. Geology on Mars was 7th grade, so if I want to see any of my 7th grade students, I would do the exact same thing. Geology on Mars, homework lesson 1. I can scroll through the students that participated in this lesson 1. Anything I wanted to print, I would go to the right over here and hit the print. Hopefully that helps you guys out in knowing where it's at. It does open up the tabs up here in classwork, so I can go back to my home page or landing page anytime I wanted. All right, hopefully that helps. Bye.